Hello from the desk of Dr. Karen. In this academic minute, I want to cover a part of academic standard that is a one that's tacitly understood by lecturers, but not really clearly explained to students. So students struggling with this issue, it's not really your fault alone. As a self-taught academic author and writer, I had intentionally looked for courses on writing, academic writing, to teach myself, both when I was a trainer, lecturer, and as a postgrad student. So back to evidence base. We largely rely on the referencing bodies, be it the American Psychological Association or the Harvard Review, etc., to set the standards. And then we follow it at the university almost religiously. Anyway, why this topic is important? It is important because recently I had some troublesome papers. Well, I shouldn't say troublesome papers, troublesome students behind some interesting papers. But most of the papers that came to me, although they were graduate papers, they were largely descriptive in nature. If you want good grades at this level, 70 is your pass mark. It starts at 70. It does not start at 50 like undergrad. So, with that in mind, it demands more from you in your writing. You describe a scenario, a case, or a situation. You look at the literature that supports the situation. However, you have to go beyond that. You have to evaluate and synergize it and clearly state your evidence to support or not to support the claim in those situations, scenarios, or case studies. So I hope this little clip gets you thinking of how to frame your paper because most of us just start writing. And then we found that many things we wrote, it's useless when we begin to frame it the way the academic requirement or rubric wants us to write the paper. And we think it's too good to lose, but we don't know how to bring ourselves back to or merge what is required by the university or department, what is expected in academic, and what we like so much about the paper. So thanks for watching. See you next clip. Bye.